All right. So as you can see, we're here on the B.com. And what we're looking at right now is this really clear, beautiful W pattern, precisely as I've gone into detail explaining in the program, especially in the second part, which is all about how to effectively catch the train, so to speak. It's truly a testament to the fact that sometimes you just have to be incredibly patient. And as part of the team, that's exactly what we pride ourselves on, our patience. And currently, that's precisely what's unfolding right before our eyes on B.com. You can clearly observe that the volume is consistently increasing with these strong green candle volumes. And interestingly, I often prefer to use a blue candle, simply because it provides a different visual cue for me, as you've seen if you followed my channel. Now, let's look at the F1 indicator, which is that prominent white line you see there. It's significantly above the 0 point, sitting at a comfortable 18, like 18. And the RSI, it's also displaying significant strength, indicating bullish momentum. So naturally, I've of course taken the trade. I've jumped in. And B.com is actually giving us a really clear signal, indicating a break of this resistance right here. You can see it. We're starting to produce these change of character signals. A lot of people, many times, will ask me, what's that special indicator you're using? Well, let me just clarify, this is my own proprietary indicator. It's not something you can just readily acquire elsewhere. The only way to get access to it is by joining the team, at least for now. You know what I mean? Obviously, this is an indicator that I personally developed and created from scratch. So within this indicator, we have these powerful vectorial candles that show a lot of pushing power. And we also have these crucial change of character signals. This means that the bearish character, the downward trend, if you will, has conclusively ended. And now we are shifting into a bullish character, a definite change of character. And right here, there should be a vectorial movement expected. Why, you might ask? Well, it's needed to break through this particular resistance level. And to achieve that break, we definitely need a strong vectorial push. I'm quite confident that we're going to see it happen very soon. We're saying, there's still about 22 minutes remaining.
I genuinely believe it's heading in an upward direction, and we have it clearly indicated here. And if we zoom out and look at the 4-hour chart, and it's not just that, but even if we shift our focus to the daily time frame, people, the regular folks and the seasoned analysts, they're all consistently bullish on this. I've been saying it all along. It's unequivocally bullish. Look at this. Just observe how strikingly bullish it is. Let me just show you definitively. You take your bottom, your initial impulse right here, and you extend it all the way to this point. And what you'll find is that we are still comfortably, absolutely, definitively above the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. A lot of people, they often get caught up. They tend to get bored with simple explanations. They mistakenly believe that it's just going to plummet to zero. But that's simply not how it works with Bitcoin. Not at all. You know what I mean? All right, so that practically wraps up this concise little video. Therefore, if you enjoy this kind of content, if you find it helpful and engaging, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll definitely see you very soon in the next video. Until then, take care.